Yo YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. I am actually so excited to be bringing you this video. I've managed to find a working Monopoly Go hack that you can use right now, and it's going to give you tons of free dice in Monopoly Go. This is the easiest and fastest method. This is a Monopoly Go mod or hack that you can use on iOS and Android, and it's going to allow you to completely dominate the game, give you unlimited free dice and free money in Monopoly Go. So as you can see, if you was to purchase dice, they're pretty expensive, guys, so this is going to save you a bunch of time grinding the game and of course a bunch of money from in-app purchases. So without wasting any more time, let's show you guys how to do this Monopoly Go hack. This is working right now in 2025, will continue to work into 2026 as well. Make sure you like this video and subscribe for more tutorials much like this one. So what you're going to want to do is just use your mobile phone internet browser and head on over to this website on your mobile, www.speedyplugin.com. So type it like this, guys, Speedy Plugin, and it's going to bring you to this website here once it loads up. As you can see, this is sort of like a modded app store. They have mods for tons of mobile games and apps. They have scripts and stuff. So go to the search bar and just type in Monopoly Go. And this is the Monopoly Go mod here, guys. Click on that. Get unlimited dice rolls and money with this Monopoly Go mod. So essentially, guys, you just got to do this and play the Monopoly Go game as per normal, and you're going to have unlimited dice rolls and cash. So once you finish this mod setup, you basically just play the game as per normal. So it's very important you do this on your mobile phone that you play Monopoly Go on. So as you can see, you need to complete 2 of the free offers below to install your plugin/mod. So essentially, guys, to get your free Monopoly Go dice and to activate this hack, you need to complete 2 of the tasks here. They're all completely free, guys, and this basically verifies you as a real person and installs your plugin. So essentially, these are simple things like installing mobile applications, playing mobile games. Just follow the description that tells you how to complete the tasks, and if you do 2 of them, guys, you simply boot up your Monopoly Go app, and you're going to have unlimited dice rolls. So as long as you complete that step on this website, that is going to give you the mod on your phone, and you basically activate it in your game, and it's going to give you your free dice. So that is it, guys. Really simple, quick method. Just go to Speedy Plugin and then navigate your way to the Monopoly Go mod, and just make sure you do follow through all of the instructions and steps. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, drop a like on this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.